Okay, the program installs. I'm gonna click and open it up, and the launcher will open up. Now you see everything is installed. The Nero video, I click on that, and that'll open up just fine. I'm gonna close out of it, and but when I click on the Nero burning ROM or the Nero Express or about anything in this rip and burn column, this is what I get every time. So it sticks on preparing to install for about 30 to 35 minutes. The splash screen is up and this upgrade notice is up. So then I have to use Task Manager to close out of it. Now if I left it running, this would show up.